If you failed a drug test for a job, it can feel like your world is crumbling down around you. You may be worried about what this means for your future and whether you'll ever be able to get another job. The first thing you should do is take a deep breath and try to relax. This is not the end of the world, and there are steps that you can take to improve your situation. You'll need to assess why you failed the drug test. If it was due to prescription medications, you may be able to provide documentation to prove that you have a valid prescription. You may also need to provide documentation if your failed test was due to medical marijuana use or for other legal recreational drugs. If the reason for your failed drug test is related to illegal drug use, it may be more difficult to take action. However, there are still steps you can take to try to improve your situation. Take a step back and remember that failing a drug test does not automatically disqualify you from all jobs. While some employers may be hesitant to hire someone who has previously failed a drug test, others will simply view it as an opportunity to provide support and guidance to help you get back on track. In terms of your job search, there are several things you can do to increase your chances of success. One option is to consider seeking additional training or education in order to boost your qualifications and make yourself a more desirable candidate for jobs. You may also want to consider networking with others in your industry and reaching out to recruiters and hiring managers directly, as this can help you get your name in front of potential employers. You need to be honest with potential employers about your previous drug test failure. This honesty will show that you're taking responsibility for your actions and are willing to be transparent about your past. Look for jobs that have a strong support system in place for employees struggling with substance abuse. Many companies today offer resources such as counseling, treatment programs, or even employee assistance programs to help their workers get back on track. Focus on your qualifications and your skills rather than the fact that you failed a drug test in the past. Highlight your strengths and emphasize how they make you a strong candidate for the job. And if you'd like assistance in your job search to increase your chances of getting noticed and hired, grab time on my calendar. My clients are getting hired in 3 to 8 weeks in their dream jobs after searching on their own for 12 months. Whether you failed one drug test or multiple tests, it is possible to turn things around and get back on track. With the right attitude and determination, you can achieve success in your job search and move forward with your career. This is Eileen Ryan from Pounding Pavement 101.